just screams local, doesn't it? Hey everyone, it's Debbie Wong and I am here with Chef Vicky Lau of Tate Dining Room here in Hong Kong, and we're in the Tate neighborhood to see where she gets inspiration for her Michelin-starred restaurant. So what is it about Tate that inspires you so much?
I love coming to this area to find all the kitchen knickknacks. We almost come here every month to replenish our restaurant on any little items that we might need in the kitchen. As you know, for a chef, tools are very, very important.
Yes.
我叫阿 Mike， 我哋公司叫萬記砧板，始創於1955年。
Well, I love the look of your chopping boards. It's very simply just the tree trunk.
Yeah, you just find the trees and cut it and shave it.
So why do Chinese chefs like to use these chopping boards traditionally?
Good question. Chinese chefs like to use some heavy knife to do a big heavy chopping, and wooden is like a really called hard sponge. So when you chop the thing, they will absorb your heat, so your hand will be safe.
That's very interesting.
Very good.
Yeah, because you were mentioning how you like the feeling of the board.
I heard you look for a chopping board. I think this one is good for you. It's for your restaurant using. It's rectangle.
Yeah, I think this would really fit the restaurant because all our chopping boards are actually rectangle.
You have to do a really good treatment on it so you can keep it for long-term use. Do you know how to do it?
I heard that you have to soak it in a lot of salt for 2 days.
Yes.
Salt water. Okay, so I'll take this. These are actually so useful when you make some kind of stew, and you can put this underneath the pot, and then you don't have to watch the fire as much because it doesn't burn up.
So I keep hearing about this amazing fruit market in this neighborhood. Have you been?
Yes, I actually come here quite often because you know, as chefs, we always try to source the best ingredients. In Hong Kong, the importation is rather relaxed for fruits, so you can find all sorts of fruits in this market. So for the dish I'm going to make, it's going to be a lamb, and I want to pick some fruits here to go with it. I think the cherries would work very well with that.
I love cherries.
Yeah, and it seems like it's in season. So I think this would actually work out quite well, and it's very plump, and I like the color. Having a thick skin is rather important so we can peel nicely. Woo! These are beautiful.
Yes.
車厘子要2磅啊？我要2磅。係。
Wow, thank you so much for showing me that market. It's amazing.
It is really amazing, and if the walls could talk, because this place has been through so much, and it's really none other than the world. Yeah. Since we're in Tate area, let's go to have some clay pot rice.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Henke is the place that I normally go after dinner service. They open till quite late.
我係陳國英，咁我係呢間興記菜館嘅負責人，我哋就係賣煲仔飯嘅。
咁你呢度開咗幾耐啊？
差唔多40年啦。
40年。
係。
咁最近年你加咗啲咩菜式咁？
都係麻辣雞煲仔飯啦。
係而家好興食麻辣。
係咯。
咁你呢度咧咁多菜式，你自己最中意邊道菜式啊？
如果煲仔飯嚟講咧，我就喜歡呢個章魚雞啦，因為我就喜歡嗰個章魚嗰個鹹香味啊。
第一次試。
哦，試下。
咁你建議咧食煲仔飯咧？
落呢個試。
係啊。係。你覺得係咪淋落呢度定係？
淋落個煲度轉一個圈，差唔多嘅份量啊。
Whenever I have like overseas guest chef that comes, I would bring them here as well because it's such a iconic thing to eat in Hong Kong.
Wow, what a perfect place to bring someone not from Hong Kong.
Yeah.
It just screams local, doesn't it? Everything is so good.
I'm definitely coming back for the winter.
Oh, that's the best. What do you love about being a chef in Hong Kong?
I love that in Hong Kong is very diverse and very accepting to have your own business. And in terms of produce, we really have access to everything. While Hong Kong is working on a little bit more local, we do have some fruits that are grown in Hong Kong that's beautiful. But otherwise, everything you can imagine from all around the world, the best ingredients you can find in Hong Kong. For our lunch menu, we always pick a humble ingredient and then elevate it into the whole menu.
I love that idea that you focus on something very specific and just really celebrate that ingredient.
Going to a fine dine restaurant is a lot about the highlight of the caviar, the expensive ingredients. Sometimes we forget a little bit about the more humble ingredients. So we use like half of the fruits are from locally grown in Hong Kong. For example, some grapes and figs. As a restaurant in Hong Kong, we're also not just on our own, we are part of the community, and it's really important to support local farmers on this. So these are like a Japanese variety. It's grown in Hong Kong now. And internationally, some cherries and blueberries. And I'm gonna pair it with a lamb. So the lamb would be a duet of the loin as well as the neck of the lamb. So for the neck of the lamb, we roll it together and we cook for a long time in a sous vide style. And then for the loin, we steam with the mousse on top and then the caul fat around it, and then we pan fry.
And it's pretty common to pair lamb with something slightly sweet and slightly acidic, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, with the spices, we'll have a lot of balance in the dish.
That is, wow. It's absolutely excellent. And it's been such a pleasure to see your process. It's been such a pleasure to see how you get your inspiration.
So next time, let's go together.
Yes, I would love that.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.